Hi Mary, Ellen here. I really hope you have received your parcel properly and all is well. I also hope that customs didn't really open it and sort of messed it up. But anyway, let me know all is well. Um, I laughed almost out loud when I heard what I last said in the video to you. I just watched it again and I said the parcel will get to you, no problems. It did get to you, I hope, but a bit tight. Anyway. So let me first show you how to adjust the sizing of the headbands. And you do that by simply folding the wire. You can do this once you've done the headband or before. And if you need to make it a little smaller, you fold a little here. Or if you need to make it a lot smaller, you fold it a lot. You shouldn't have to make it bigger. They come fairly big. And so the wire. You take a wire and you sort of wrap it around once so it's firmly in place. And now for the fun bit. You choose your favorite petals and you attach it to the headband by wrapping the wire around like so. And the only idea with the colors of this one, I guess, is to use as many colors as possible so that you get this kind of wildflower look. And I like putting them really tightly to the band, or the opposite, you thread them on and fold the wire so that it stands up a little bit like that. And the bridal one. So the technique is kind of similar, but you use the wired rosebuds instead and thread it through and then use the wire to secure like so. And you are likely to have a lot of spare petals and wire, and one idea with the wire is to maybe create some like a bridal veil of flower petals coming down the back of the bride's hair. So it's quite nice to put them different length, and then you put a petal and you fold the wire ever so little just to secure it like that. Let's make another one. And if you want really long floral veil, you can combine two wires to make it different lengths like that. Same for her, that you make it smaller by folding the wire like that. I think you're going to do absolutely brilliantly at making this, and I hope you enjoy it as well. Send all my best wishes to the girls at the party, and let me know if you need anything else explained or anything else. Take care. Bye.